Ditch the rag and bucket. Prevent cross-contamination that can cause foodborne illness with Sani Professional No-Rinse Sanitizing Multi-Surface Wipes. They're EPA registered, NSF certified, and proven to kill 99.999% of the most common foodborne pathogens within 60 seconds. They're the first and only wipe in the market that is effective against listeria. Improved formulation delivers faster dry time, no streaking, and less residue. The thicker wipe is more effective in removing debris. No need to mix and measure, simply pull, wipe, done. Sanitize multiple surfaces in back of house and front of house. Sani Professional No-Rinse Sanitizing Multi-Surface Wipes make sanitizing so simple your staff will be motivated to clean and sanitize regularly and consistently, resulting in a healthy, infection-controlled facility. They're available in canisters and soft packs. Wall brackets, patented triple take dispensers, and belt packs provide accessible dispensing. Sani Professional No-Rinse Sanitizing Multi-Surface Wipes. Sanitizing done simply.